Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi and I have a package. And you know where this is coming from. This is from the Happy Planner. Okay, so let me tell you the story. When I placed my order for the spring, for the new release, for the spring 2022 new release, there were two major things, major problems, right? So I went ahead and I contacted customer service and they asked me to take pictures of the damaged items, and she said that she was going to send me replacement for those three things. One is this calendar right here from this is from the Work Plus Life extension pack, and as you can see, the punches are going into the boxes for the monthly, so that is not right. And the folder is damaged right here. I hope that you can see there, but this is the back and this is the front. All right, so I told her, I sent pictures of those two things. And my planner, so I only purchased this one planner, okay? I don't know how good you're gonna be able to see this. This is not glue. This is a scratch. It's scratched all the way here, okay? This is a fingerprint, okay. Now from the inside here, let me take a look. I don't see anything on the inside. Now, that's the front. The back, I didn't even realize, okay? When I did my first unboxing, I didn't realize that this cover has a dent right here. It has a scratch here. But it's almost like, oh, I hope that you can see it there. It's so deep, I can feel it. The scratches here. There's a big scratch right here. It goes all the way down, you guys, all the way here. And I'm trying to move this so you can see, because depending on the light, right? Because I didn't even realize this huge gouge right here. So that's the back, and the inside cover for the back is so scratched, and this one's hard to see because of the color, but it's really deep right here. Okay, so those were the major problems, and she said no problem, send me a picture and we're gonna send you replacement of the pages, right? She never said she was gonna send me anything more. I said, okay, the pages and the covers, right? She said yes, and the covers. So I got this in the mail. They sent me a whole new pack, you guys. I was not expecting this. I thought for sure they were just gonna send me the monthly. So I am extremely surprised. I was not expecting a whole new extension pack. And I don't want to ruin this because I'm probably going to give this away. There's no need for me to have two, right? But I know my cousin already has this. So I'll ask a friend and see if they want it. Oops. Let's see. All right, so let's take a look at the folder. So this is the back and the front. Okay, yep, see, brand new. There's no problem here. All right, so that's looking good. Now let's take a look at the calendars here. Oh yeah, okay. So there's no problem with the printing here. You can see the punches are where they should be, without touching the boxes here for the monthly and the weekly. All right, So let me check the other monthlies. They're good. Good. Okay, so I checked this whole pack and is in perfect shape. So thank you so much. I was not expecting that. I thought I was only gonna get that replacement and the folder, and this is excellent. Thank you. But that's not all, you guys. They sent me another planner. I don't know what to tell you, because from the times that I had issues with products, this is the first time that I get like a full set, and it was so easy, and they sent it within, I think, a week. It's probably been a week. New release. This is for spring 2022, and this is in the dashboard layout. This is the only planner I purchased from the Happy Planner for this release, because I have so many. I have so many, and I want to use this for my social media. All right, so let me show you. Let's investigate here. You guys know this sticky is no problem. It comes off. There we go. Wow. Okay. All right, I see a little bit of scratch here, but it's not deep. They're not deep scratches, and yeah, you can't even tell. You can't even feel it. But it's almost like it was sanded a little, you know. But it's not scratch really. It's like opaque right here. I'm gonna try to clean it with alcohol and see if that makes a difference. Now let's see this cover. Okay, this has glue. I don't feel anything. I see scratches here. Okay, so this one's scratched too. But it's almost like a file, like when you file something with a nail file. That's how it looks and it feels. It's not like the other one that has like deep scratches, almost like, oh, and you can see here the scratches. But they're not as noticeable as the other one. Okay, now let's take a look at the back cover. Wow. Okay, this one is bad. This one is worse than the other one. Oh my goodness. How in the world did they do this? Wow. You know what? Oh, I can feel it. Yep. This one is deep. All of these ones are so deep right here. Okay, they're having issues. I saw, let me see. Who did I see? Katie from the planner channel. She said that hers was glue, that it wasn't scratch. Well, mine is scratch. Mine is not glue. And look at this. Wow. There's scratches going this way, and there's scratches going that way. Yeah. Okay, so this one is as bad as the other one. Not any better. Wow. And that's a pretty side. The pink side is pretty. Let's take a look at this. Oh, this one looks better. Okay. I think this one looks much better than the other one. Oh yeah. This is just from the glue that was holding the cover here. This is glue. This is glue. there's a tiny little scratch there and dirt. Okay, so the front cover is good, the back cover is good, but the back cover, the inside part, is just as bad as the other one, unfortunately. So it's you know, I don't know what's happening to their shipping or manufacturing. I don't know, but their stuff is getting damaged. That's no doubt about that. Now I have another planner. I was not expecting this. I thought I was just gonna get the covers, and I was happy with that. I thought, okay, as long as they're not scratched, I'll be okay. The back is scratched, but I'm thinking at this point it's something with their manufacturing. I hope it's not their shipping, because then they're damaging the product. You know, so who knows? I don't know. I hope that they get it resolved so they don't have to ship extras, you know, and because this is a loss for them. It's a gain for me, but there's still one of the covers is still scratched. But I mean, look at that. Wow. This one is just, and then this one has this big hair. What happened to this cover? It's a huge, and here this big old scratch. So yeah, look at that. This is not glue. I wish it was glue, but it's not. And it's big right here. All right, so this is my old damage set. This is the new one. This one is perfect, you guys. This one is perfection. Look at that. And it comes with the stickers. So I have to say thank you to the Happy Planner customer service for taking care of my order and my complaint. They sent me a whole new set that I was not expecting, and I appreciate that. From all the times that I have ordered and my things have been damaged, this was the easiest interaction I had with them in a long time. So I appreciate that. I think that's a great step towards their customer service, you know, a better customer service. And yeah, I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with the all set, but I'm sure it's gonna go to good hands. I'm already thinking of 2 people, and yeah, they're family. But if they don't want it, who knows? Maybe my friends are gonna get it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's a really short video today, but I just wanted to, you know, make sure that I gave props where props are due. I think that the customer service is, I mean, I was not expecting this, and it was so fast. They sent it within a week, and it was super easy to talk to them, send them the pictures of my damage set, and yeah, they did great. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and like always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Ooh, it's so bright.